Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can apply coupon on Temu. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Temu app first of all. Afterward, for you to simply apply your coupon, you have to go to the checkout section. Now go ahead, add in the item to your cart. Once you're done, tap on this option of cart at the bottom. Then once you have checked out all of your item, then you're going to tap on this option of checkout at the bottom. Then first thing first, choose your country, add in your first name, your last name. You can add in your address, you can add in, but by simply searching up, or you can enter your address manually. Then you're going to enter your number, which will be according to your country code. Once you've chosen up, and tap on agree, and then tap on save. Once you have saved your particular address, the next step will be payment method. Go ahead, go to the payment section. You can choose you will find plenty of payment option. One will be digital, one will be physical card, Visa cards, and one will be simply the gift cards, vouchers, and coupons. Now go ahead, tap on that particular option, and then you will find this little box where you have to enter a code, and that code will be your coupon code. Now go ahead, check out the physical coupon that you have received, type in the coupon code over there. Make sure to recheck it twice and tap on apply. Now the coupon code will be applied to your order, and you can again preview it, and once you're done seeing it all, tap on confirm, and your order will be placed, and you have also applied your coupon. So that's how easy it is to do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.